Hi, this is Chinmayi. In the recent Sephora VIB appreciation sale, I had bought a few things for myself, and one of which included the KatVonD's Dagger liner. And I am going to be talking about my opinion on this, so stay tuned. Many of us running through licorice as a So this is the Dagger tattoo liner. The tattoo liner itself has a cult following, and if you see, this has like a tapered cover, and this is not the unboxing, I've already used it, and the cap is also tapered. Now this is more like a brush than a felt tip sort of an end. So this also has a tapered edge, I think, which is what is being mimicked in the cap and also in the outer packaging. So if you look at this about 45-degree angle, I think. When I used this for the first time and then the second time, I just felt that it did not have the definition and the dark color payoff that came from the tattoo liner. And this does, of course, the tapered end does help you get a really lovely wing. So if you want like a really sharp wing, which is why I'm sure this is named as the Dagger liner, it helps you get that. Another thing that I felt when I was using the Dagger tattoo liner was, because I have a hooded eye, in about a couple of hours or so, it did leave a black mark on the upper eyelid, and that was my bigger issue in my opinion. I had gone for an event and I had worn this for the first time, and I wanted to test drive it, and as soon as I came back, it lasted about a couple of hours, and I didn't sweat too much. So I didn't sweat at all actually, because it was like a controlled environment, and this did leave a mark. I think there is a particular term that a lot of beauty YouTubers use for that, the mark that it leaves on the upper eyelid. So that is one of the reasons that was a problem for me. So if there is any eyeliner that does something like that to you, during the course of the day, it's not going to help the overall look of your eyes or anything else. So because I bought it, I'm definitely going to be using it. I'm going to see how I can make it work until this is over. Because of course I paid my hard-earned money, so there is no question of throwing this away. Maybe I'll use it for my lower lash line and see if it bleeds a little bit. I did use it on my lower lash line that day, and there was no bleeding because I had packed my under eye. So I think my general opinion is this doesn't work for me, simply because of the color transfer. The color transfer is what it is called, I think. The color transfer on my upper eyelid, and I wish it wasn't that, and I really wish this had been, the color payoff was a lot more darker, just like the tattoo liner. So that's about it, and that was my mini review about the KatVonD Dagger tattoo liner. I hope you liked it, and until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.